Hello, I'm Tavan from Fix the World Morocco, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Orgonite garden pucks. How can Orgonite make your plants grow? Orgonite uses orgone energy, which was discovered by Dr. Wilhelm Reich. When he made his orgone accumulator boxes, he found that when you took samples of seeds inside the accumulator, they grew healthier, better, and stronger than seeds that were put in controlled conditions. Now let's fast forward to today. Now people are using Orgonite to make their plants grow healthier and stronger. Here's an example of how Orgonite can make your plants grow healthier than if you didn't have Orgonite. In this example, you see a bed that did not have Orgonite versus a garden bed that did. So on the left side, you have a flower bed that does not have Orgonite. Then on the right side, you have a flower bed with Orgonite. Here, you can clearly see the difference. So today, we have some special offers on our new Orgonite garden sets. You can get garden pucks in sets of 2 or 4, and this is great if you only have space for potted plants. We also have a special gardener's urban pack, where it's 4 pucks in a pyramid. This is perfect if you're limited in space and might have some space in your rooftop or on your patio. For larger gardens like community gardens, we also have our Orgonite community pack. It has 4 pyramids and 8 of these garden pucks. It's perfect for larger plots of land, let's say up to an acre or so. At Fix the World Morocco, we've been making our handmade EMF protection products since 2017, and we've shipped all over the world to many thousands of customers. If you have any questions, you can contact us or view our many videos we've created that explain the science and testimonies behind each of our products. Be sure to visit our website, ftwproject.com. Thanks for watching.